Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear shock absorbers on a Vauxhall Astra J. First, safely jack up the car and remove the rear wheel. Once the wheel is off, we have full access to the shock absorber. At the top, the shock is secured with 2 bolts. These are 18mm bolts, so we remove both of them completely. Next, we move to the lower mounting point. At the bottom, the shock absorber is held in place by 1 single bolt. We remove this bolt as well. Once the lower bolt is removed, the shock absorber becomes loose and can be easily taken out. We pull it out upwards, and now we have it fully removed from the vehicle. Now we need to remove the top mount from the old shock absorber. Before undoing the top nut, it's a good idea to apply some penetrating fluid to make removal easier. Here's the method I use. I place a small piece of rubber hose over the shock absorber rod. Then I clamp it gently with locking pliers. This keeps the rod steady in one position and prevents it from spinning while loosening the nut. There are 2 ways to remove the top nut. The first method is to use a socket with an impact gun. This is usually the quickest and easiest way. The second method, if you don't have an impact gun, is to use a standard ratchet. You hold the shock absorber firmly and loosen the nut with controlled pulling movements. It will come loose without any problem. Once the nut is removed, we can take off the top mount and also remove the plastic dust cover. Now we install the dust cover onto the new shock absorber, followed by the top mount and the nut. If a new nut is supplied with the new shock, always use the new one. Tighten the nut gently at first. Then, again, place the rubber hose over the rod and clamp it carefully so you don't damage or scratch the shaft. Now tighten the nut properly to the correct torque. Once everything is assembled, we can reinstall the shock absorber onto the car. First, position the top mount and hand tighten the upper bolts. Then tighten them fully with a wrench to the correct torque specification. After the top is secured, we move to the lower mounting point. You may need to push the shock absorber slightly to align it with the bolt hole. Apply steady pressure until the holes line up. Insert the lower bolt and thread it in by hand first to ensure it engages correctly. Once it's properly aligned and seated, tighten it with a wrench to the correct torque. With the lower bolt tightened, we are ready to reinstall the wheel. Fit the wheel back on and tighten the wheel bolts to the correct torque. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.